Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to perform a screen replacement on this Tecno Book 2F, which I bought from Facebook. So everything on this phone is okay. The LCD, the battery, the charging port, the earpiece, the mouthpiece, they are all working perfectly. Only the screen needs to be replaced. So I'll start by unscrewing all the screws from the phone, and then I'll get through the back. I'll first have to remove the protective steel that protects the battery, and also have to remove the bottom and the top of the phone to access the motherboard and the down part, which holds in the charging system, the headphone jack, and also the mouthpiece, which is totally fine. But I'm more interested in the screen. So for me to access the screen, I have first to remove the battery, the motherboard, and also the charging port plate. So this the battery should be removed first because it has the largest part of the phone. And just be careful removing. Use something soft so that you don't fly into the battery, or otherwise the battery can be damaged. But with patience and slowly going through the phone, you can finally pry out the battery. And also be careful because when you damage the battery, it might explode or damage the phone. So when you're done with the battery, unplug all the attachments that are attached to the phone, the camera, the fingerprint, the LCD connector, and all the nuts that are holding down the motherboard to the housing. So just be careful not to force anything. If it's stuck, it's probably because it's connected to something or there's something beneath it. So just be gentle and make sure that all the connectors are removed in a gentle way, and you are not forced. Otherwise you might tear some cables or some the motherboard itself. So just be gentle when doing this procedure. So now that we are done removing everything, here's a screen we need to repress on this phone. So we'll start by loosening this cable that holds the LCD and the touch screen. So just be gentle, don't force it, otherwise it might break and hit the top of the phone. Make sure that the heat is on the right size, and it's not too hot to melt or damage the screen inside. So gently pry using something hard, but because this phone has a lot of cracks, I have an advantage of the starting point. But make sure that you are gentle, and when removing the glasses, make sure that you wear something in your hands to protect. Otherwise it's a simple procedure, but it needs patience. And when doing this, make sure that the screen is heated everywhere, and you use plastic to go around the screen so that you don't damage or scratch the LCD inside. Just be gentle, take your time, and make sure that the screen is heated evenly so that you can finally have you can melt all the glue beneath the screen. Otherwise this is not as hard as it seems, but with a lot of practice we are finally in. So the LCD is okay. The only part that needs to be replaced is the screen. As you can see, here's the connector where the LCD and the screen are connected. So we use the soldering iron to remove the connection. Be gentle and make sure that you be precise with your soldering, otherwise you might make a mistake and damage the whole thing. So in this procedure, it was my first time to do this process, and I actually had little experience and ended up messing up the screen and the LCD. So for the purpose of learning, I want to show you where I actually made a mistake. So it was best just the way it was. I had no need for the soldering wire to be added, but I did it either way and it ended up messing up everything, and the video was cut short because I couldn't fix. So I'll meet you in my next video where I'll do all the right procedure, and hope you subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and make sure that you like this video, comment down if you want any more videos. So see you next time. Enjoy the rest of the video.